Hello YouTube. Chachi is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how we're gonna fix a screen resolution problems on Windows. And on this video, we are going to cover solutions for all Windows operating system, Windows 10, Windows 11, and other Windows operating system. So the first solution is checking your Windows is up to date, because if you have an outdated Windows operating system, it can cause a screen resolution problem. So click on your search icon here and type Windows Update. Here, Windows Update. So here it is, the Windows Update. Then open the Windows Update and check for updates here. So when you are checking for updates, you may have you may get some updates, so wait until it will finish downloading, then install it and restart your computer. Then after that, check whether your screen resolution problem is solved or not. Then the second solution is adjusting the resolution. So to adjust the resolution, just right click, then select display settings. So after you select the display settings, you will have here scale option. So the first thing is checking the scale. So by clicking here the drop down arrow, you can select different scales, 100%, 125. Maybe if your computer is under 125, as you can see here, the screen resolution have a problem. So check the 100% or the recommended one. So as you can see, the screen resolution in my computer got changed. So check the scale. Then after you check the scale, then the second one would be display resolution. So here we have different display resolutions. Click on the arrow. So here you can see different resolutions. Maybe your computer selected a different resolution. So for example, let's keep change. As you can see here, the resolution is a little bit larger. So select different resolution here. For example, the recommended one. So select this recommended and keep change. And as you can see, the resolution become good. So if you cannot find all these other resolutions, then we will see it on the next solutions. So after you check the display resolution, and if the problem is still occurring, then go to the advanced display here, advanced display. So after you click the advanced display, you will find display adapter properties for display 1. So here you will get adapter properties, then select this one and you will get here list all modes. So select list all modes, and as I have did on the other display resolution options, here you will find different lists of modes. So select each of them and check whether all these modes will get your perfect resolution for your computer. So check each of them and select OK, then apply. Let me select one of it. So let me select this one and select OK, and select here apply. So it may take some time, and as you can see here, the resolution get changed. So this is not the perfect for me. So keep trying by changing all the modes. So I'm going to revert it back to the previous one. So check all the lists of modes here, and you may get your favorite screen resolution. So if this method is not working for you, then the next solution is incorrect app specific settings. You may have apps that have an incorrect setting or an incorrect resolution. So you can take games can also take the privilege to change your display resolution that we had seen earlier under the display resolution. So they can change the display resolution which is favorable for them for the game. So it will distort or it will make a problem for your screen resolution. So specific applications can make such kind of problem. So if you installed games recently, then check the resolution of those games or any applications, or uninstall those applications. Maybe they are the cause for this screen resolution problem. And if still you are facing again the problem, then the final solution for this tutorial is updating your driver, your display adapter. So to update your display driver, then click on the search icon and type here device, sorry, I typed wrongly, device manager. So here the device manager, then open the device manager and you will find the display adapters or the display drivers. Here the display adapters, here we found it, then click on the arrow. So on the display adapter, in my case I have Intel, in your case you may have AMD or NVIDIA or other. So make sure you update all of them. So select the driver and right click on it. So before you start updating the driver, make sure it show you on the second place disable device, which is if I click disable, it will disable it. But in your case, if the display adapter is showing you enable device, then select the enable device because it's disabled. So in my case, it's showing it disabled device, then the display adapter is enabled. Then proceed to update driver. So after you select the update driver, then it will ask you how do you want to search for driver, then select here search automatically for driver. So it's searching, and here the best driver for your device are already installed and it's updated. So if this solution can solve your problem, well done. But if the problem is still occurring, then we are going to use the second solution again. Right click on the display adapter that you have on your computer and select update driver. Then select here browse my computer for driver. Then select here let me pick from the list of available drivers on my computer. Then after that, it will show you here, in my case, show compatible hardware. Then it will show me 3 different Intel HD graphics drivers, Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. So check each of them that you find under your display adapter options. So select if it's showing me the current display driver is this one. So I'm going to select the second one and select next. Then it will start installing and it will restart your computer. And you can check the display adapter whether the problem is solved or not. If the problem is still occurring, then get back here onto the device manager and select the next one. And again, click next. Then your computer will restart and you can check whether the screen resolution problem is solved or not. So if this solution cannot solve your display resolution problem, then search online for drivers. So to search online for drivers based on your display adapter, click on the search, click on the browser that you prefer to use, and you may have different drivers. In my case it's Intel, in your case it will be AMD or NVIDIA. So type, for example, for AMD, type AMD, then driver, here AMD driver, press enter, it will search for the AMD drivers. Then after that, scroll down and you will get driver with AMD auto detect and install. As you can see, it's http://www.amd.com and select get driver, which is auto detect, means it will automatically detect if your computer needs any display adapter or any adapters related with AMD. So you can go to the bottom part and you can download the AMD driver and support in order to start detecting if your computer is needing any drivers related with display. Then this solution will work for users who have AMD driver. And if your computer is using NVIDIA, then type again here NVIDIA and press enter. Then here NVIDIA graphics card driver is here. Let us select here official GeForce driver for NVIDIA. As you can see, it's online, it's official site, which is the NVIDIA and automatic driver update. So select here download, and it will automatically detect for drivers related with NVIDIA display adapters. So if you are using a NVIDIA display adapter, then you can use this solution to update your display adapter. So this is on how you can fix your screen resolution problem. I hope all the solutions helped you to solve the problem in your computer. And if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you for watching. Chachi Tech Out.